Excuse me, is anyone sitting here?
No, it's free. Go ahead.
Thanks. Airports are always crowded, especially near the boarding gates.
Yeah, the waiting area is packed today. Are you waiting to board too?
Yes, my flight boards in about 20 minutes. I'm Mike, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Mike. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you too. Are you traveling for work or for fun?
For fun, actually. I'm going on a short vacation. I really need a break. What about you?
Business trip. I travel a lot for work, so airports feel like a second home to me.
That sounds tiring. Do you enjoy traveling for business?
Sometimes. I like my job, but I don't have much free time when I travel. It's mostly meetings and hotels.
I understand. I travel for pleasure whenever I can. I like exploring new places and trying local food.
That sounds much better than my trips. What do you do when you're not traveling?
I work as a marketing assistant. My days are busy, but I enjoy them. How about you?
I'm a graphic designer. I work from home most of the time.
You seem calm for someone on a business trip.
I'm usually quiet at first, but I relax once I start talking.
Same here. I'm a little shy, but traveling helps me open up.
Maybe airports are good places to meet new people.
Maybe they are. It makes waiting for boarding more interesting.